What's wrong?
I'm trapped in the traffic jam because the traffic light error. So I don't know. Maybe because the energy of the traffic light is bad. I guess.
You mean that Jakarta needs more energy from
Nature. Yes.
But by the way, before I go here, I was take a bath and then the water is not clean. It's so
Dirty.
yes.
Yeah, I feel because I don't know. Maybe the river in the Jakarta so bad. A lot of trash.
Yes.
Yeah, a lot of trash and
Maybe
in the street a lot of pollution.
yes. Maybe we need a solution for this
Yeah.
all problem about our country, our city,
Yeah.
especially Jakarta.
Yeah, because I think every day Jakarta so
Hot
yes, hot and
uncomfortable. I
yeah,
feel like
yeah.
that.
Because I think the
Crowded and traffic jam
yeah,
all time, every day,
yeah,
everywhere.
yeah. So I wonder if I found a solution, I will fix the Jakarta, the transportation, or the energy, because we feel suffer in the Jakarta.
So what's the solution?
I don't
Maybe
know.
our friends have a solution for this problem.
Ooh.
Devin.
Aha!
Yes. Let me ask her
Okay.
about this problem.
Okay.
Pin.
Yes.
Ame and I talk about the problem in Jakarta. Maybe you have a solution for this.
What kind of problem that you talk about?
Everything. Very
Everything?
complicated.
Okay, I will tell you.
Okay. Come here and sit.
So Finn, we discussed about the problem in Jakarta, about the traffic jam, about the people, so crowded people in here, about the situation, about the weather, yeah, and the
traffic
water,
light, and electric maybe.
yeah, that, and we think about the how if Jakarta have more energy, but from the nature, maybe we have to think about the how to make machine that can
Produce
the energy,
energy from nature.
yeah, like the rain and the sun, or maybe with pollution, or I don't know. What do you think?
So,
But do you feel Jakarta is many problems?
yes,
Yeah.
like the economic and like energy, yes, something like that.
Yeah.
So,
So
you ask me if I have innovative idea for
yes,
this problem.
yeah.
I think we should make something new.
Yeah.
I think I have the illustration to this innovative idea. What do you think? Should I draw this for you guys?
Of
Or-
course.
Yes.
You just told me the illustrate about the
The illustration.
yeah.
Yes.
But how it works?
I will explain the
Explain to us.
yeah, explain the machine later.
So you can show me the picture, or you can draw it.
Yes, I can draw the illustration.
Illustration?
Yes, so I can explain to you after
Okay.
I draw the illustration, because if I
Yeah.
not
Explain how
Yeah.
it works.
yeah, I will explain how it works.
Okay. Go on.
Okay. So I will explain how the machine works.
Okay.
So here we have
Solar.
solar system.
Yeah.
Yes, we can use two energy. First, when it will sunny, we
Yeah.
can use the solar system.
Oh,
So the solar
okay.
system will receive the sunlight,
Yeah.
and then it can the solar system will produce the sun
Yeah.
light in the house.
Mm-mm. How if there is no sun?
If we
It will
if
rain.
rain, yes.
Here, why I draw this like isn't straight?
Yeah.
Because when it is rain, the water from from the
Sky.
rain, yes, from the sky will flow into the pipes. And
Okay.
then when the pipe receives
Oh,
the
there's
water,
five.
Yes, this is pipe. I'm sorry, I'm not explaining. So this is the
Oh.
pipes.
Okay.
So the pipe will receive the water,
Okay.
the rainwater, and then the rainwater will flowing from these ones to this one. And
Okay.
you know what is this?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Is that like machine that
Yes.
produce the energy of the water?
Yeah,
Right?
exactly. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
But Jakarta is many pollution, and then what about the air and the rain that contaminate pollution?
Oh, it's easy. So
Oh.
if the water like contaminated, the water here will be filtrated by a machine. Filtration.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
So I give this a filtration here.
Okay. Oh, there is machine for filtration.
Yes.
Okay.
After it filtrated in these ones,
Uh-huh.
the clean water will be moved into the
Yeah. Like box for the water.
yes, like that.
Yeah.
It is the place to place the clean water into the house.
Wow, it's
It can be-
amazing, innovative. I guess.
It's work for building or
Yes, it's for building or maybe a house. Maybe if building
How
we
about-
should need a lot of solar
how
systems.
about house?
The house we can use the solar system like this. We can put it on the ceilings
Okay.
of our house. Yes, that's
Okay.
for me. So what do you think?
So I think wow, it's amazing. It's innovative. So
Yeah.
new
Yes.
ideas that.
You are so,
Yeah.
amazing.
Yes, I
So when we will start it to make this?
Actually, we need a lot of times and a lot of preparation for this one because we
A lot of
are-
money too.
We are testing
Many
it.
money.
Money. Yes, I think we need.
Okay.
a lot of money.
We
But
can
will-
prepare it for now to make Jakarta better.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
Jakarta better for the best Jakarta.
Okay. Oh, this is the illustration.
Yes.
It's so amazing.
It's so amazing, really.
So amazing idea.
But I thought that the problem in Jakarta is one of the problem is a lot of people. So
Crowded.
So what do you think, Kiki, about it?
I think it's uncomfortable for me.
We have a lot of
But
preparation.
I don't know what is the solution.
So what do you think, Devin?
I have the solution. This is the best solution.
What is-
So we will move the human in the earth into the planet Mars. So this is the end of the video, people. So we will start to make introduction.
Hello, my name is Alma Kristania Meidanti.
You can call me.
You can call me Ame, of course.
Yeah. So.
Hello, my name is Kiki Amalia. You can call me Kiki.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Devin Wahyuni. You can call me Devin. Yeah. So,
See you on the next
so thank
video.
you for watching
Thank you for
our
watching.
videos.
Maybe you can try to make this one
At home.
Yeah, to Jakarta to be better, Indonesia to be better.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.